So Mike, what do you think?
I love it. Pretty good job. I'm happy with the results. Everybody was nice, easy going.
This is Mike. He comes back after 1 year. He had a Norwood 3 hair loss pattern with loss of hair in both temporal regions, and had a FUE 2000 graft session with us in October of 2019, and now it is October 2020. I'm going to present you the pre-op photographs on the day, and I'm going to show them to you here. You can see that he had a Norwood 3 pattern with bitemporal hair loss, and this is what we planted. And now I would like you to see him 1 year later. So we can see here, for me this is a very good result. Turn to your left, please. To your left, sir. Left. It's a very good result. It's a very natural hairline. If you can get a close-up of the hairline. And it's good density. For 2000 grafts, I think it's very good density. Back to the camera. Chin down, please. And you can see here, and the hair kind of merges in with his natural hair, which is around here. This is a transplanted hair. And chin up, please. And look this side. So Mike, what do you think?
I love it. Pretty good job. I'm happy with the results. Everybody was nice, easy going. Yeah.
Are you glad you had a hair transplant done?
100%, yes, it was worth it. I'm very happy with the results.
And I hear you were saying that somebody commented on your hair transplant?
Yeah, my friends and families saw it and they're very happy with it.
Does it make you feel more confident now? Does it make you
Yes.
feel better?
I'm very happy with it, yeah.
Yeah. I think it looks really good.
Thank you.
I think it's a very good density, it's a very natural hairline, and frankly, I'm delighted for you. So anybody on the fence thinking of getting a hair transplant, what would you say to them?
To come here and come get it, it's worth it.
And you had the FUE procedure,
Yes,
and how was your experience during the procedure?
it was amazing. Everyone was welcoming, it was easygoing, and yeah.
Fairly painless?
Yes, fairly, yeah.
And the post-operatively after the procedure?
It was pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
All in all, it is good.
Yes.